China, a land steeped in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Just saying the name sends a shiver down your spine. It's a place where the past and the future coexist in a mesmerizing dance. It's a place that gets under your skin, with its ancient traditions and modern innovations blending seamlessly. A land of contrasts where ancient history collides head-on with futuristic skylines. From the timeless beauty of the Forbidden City to the cutting-edge architecture of Shanghai, every corner tells a story. This ain't your typical tourist trap. Venture off the beaten path and you'll discover a China that few get to see. We're talking about thousands of years of culture, food that'll make you want to slap your mama in a good way, and landscapes so epic they defy description. Imagine savoring a bowl of hand-pulled noodles while gazing at the karst mountains of Guilin. Forget the cliches, the tourist traps, the pre-packaged tours. There's so much more to explore beyond the crowded attractions and souvenir shops. This is about the real China, the one where you can have authentic interactions with locals, experience rural village life, and uncover hidden gems like secluded temples and serene gardens. The China that bites back, surprises you, challenges you, and ultimately seduces you. We're going deep, folks. Imagine hiking through remote mountains, stumbling upon a local festival, or sharing a meal with a family who welcomes you like one of their own, into the heart of the dragon. Feel the pulse of a nation that has shaped the world for millennia. We're gonna scale mountains, navigate bustling markets, and share meals with locals who know the best-kept secrets. From the peaks of the Himalayas to the vibrant street markets, every experience will be unforgettable. Get ready for an adventure. Get ready for China, a journey that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. The Great Wall. You've seen the pictures, the endless snaking stone, but nothing prepares you for standing on top of this beast. It's humbling. It's awe-inspiring. It's a testament to human endeavor on a scale that's hard to comprehend. Imagine thousands of miles of stone snaking across mountains, deserts, grasslands, built by hand centuries ago. It's a graveyard of emperors, a monument to sweat and blood, but it's also a symbol of resilience, of determination, of a people united. Walk these ramparts, feel the ghosts of soldiers past, look out at the vastness and understand this is China. Bold, ambitious, unafraid. Deep underground, an army sleeps. Thousands of them, life-sized terracotta warriors, standing guard over the tomb of China's first emperor. It's like stumbling onto another planet. Each face is unique, each detail meticulously crafted. You can almost hear the clash of bronze, the thunder of hooves. It's a glimpse into a vanished world, a time of emperors and empires. Spend some time with these silent soldiers. Look into their eyes. You'll feel the weight of history pressing down on you. It's a reminder that even the mightiest empires crumble, but art endures. Forget CGI, folks. This is the real deal. Towering sandstone pillars, shrouded in mist, rising from the jungle floor like something out of a dream. This is Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, and it's like stepping into another world. Ride the cable car up through the clouds, hike through bamboo forests, marvel at waterfalls cascading from dizzying heights. It's a landscape that defies description, where nature runs wild and imagination takes flight. This is where James Cameron dreamed up the world of Avatar, but seeing it in person, that's something else entirely. It's a reminder that the most incredible landscapes are often the ones Mother Nature cooks up herself. Section 5. Li River, Poetry in Motion, Nature's Masterpiece. They say the Li River is where Chinese landscape painting was born. One look and you'll understand why. This ain't just a river, folks. This is liquid poetry. Imagine emerald green water reflecting the sky, meandering through a landscape of karst peaks, bamboo forests, and ancient villages. It's a scene of such serene beauty it'll stop you dead in your tracks. Take a boat down the Li, let the world drift by. Listen to the fishermen sing their mournful songs. Breathe in the fresh air. This is China at its most tranquil, its most mesmerizing. Section 6. Forbidden City. Secrets and splendor in the heart of Beijing. In the heart of Beijing lies a city within a city, a place where time seems to stand still, and history whispers through every stone and tile. Forbidden to outsiders for centuries, the Forbidden City is a sprawling complex of palaces, temples, and courtyards. Each structure tells a story, each corner holds a secret. It's a glimpse into the heart of Imperial China, a world of power, intrigue, and unimaginable wealth. The intricate carvings and opulent rooms reflect the grandeur of a bygone era. Walk through the gate of heavenly peace, the grand entrance that has welcomed emperors and dignitaries for centuries. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine corridors, where every turn reveals a new wonder, a new piece of history waiting to be discovered. Marvel at the golden roofs, the intricate carvings, the sheer scale of it all. The craftsmanship is a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans who built this magnificent city. This is where emperors ruled, where concubines schemed, where history was made. The walls have witnessed countless dramas, from political machinations to personal vendettas. The Forbidden City is a reminder that behind the walls, behind the masks of power, lie human stories. Stories of ambition, of love, of betrayal, and of the relentless pursuit of power. Stories of ambition, of love, of betrayal. These tales are etched into the very fabric of the city, immortalized in paintings, murals, and artifacts. Stories that echo through the centuries, as relevant today as they were then. As the sun sets over the Forbidden City, casting a golden glow over its ancient walls, one can't help but feel a connection to the past, a sense of wonder at the enduring legacy of this incredible place. Section 7. The Flavor of Wonder, Food for the Soul. Forget the fortune cookies and the greasy takeout. Dive into the heart of Chinese cuisine, where every dish tells a story and every flavor is a journey. Chinese food is an adventure for the palate. Each bite is a new experience, a blend of history, culture, and culinary artistry. It's spicy, it's sour, it's sweet, it's savory. The balance of flavors is a testament to centuries of culinary tradition and innovation. It's an explosion of flavors and textures that'll leave you craving more. From the crunch of fresh vegetables to the tender bite of perfectly cooked meat, every dish is a masterpiece. From the street stalls of Xi'an to the Michelin-starred restaurants of Shanghai, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a fan of street food or fine dining, Chinese cuisine has it all. Slurp down some hand-pulled noodles in a back alley. Watch as the noodles are expertly crafted before your eyes, a dance of dough and skill. Feast on Peking duck, crispy skin and all. This iconic dish is a celebration of flavor and texture, a must-try for any food lover. Sample dumplings, dim sum, and everything in between. Each bite-sized piece is a burst of flavor, a small package of joy. Food is more than just sustenance in China. It's a way to connect with loved ones, to celebrate and to share. It's a way of life. Meals are a time to come together, to bond over shared tastes and experiences. It's about family, friends, and sharing a meal together. The act of eating is a communal experience, a way to strengthen relationships and create memories. It's about connecting with a culture on the most primal level. Through food, we understand traditions, values, and the essence of what it means to be part of a community. Section 8. Beyond the Landmarks, Finding Your Own China. China ain't just about the big-ticket items, it's about the little things too. The unexpected encounters, the off-the-beaten-path discoveries. Get lost in the maze-like hutongs of Beijing. Haggle for souvenirs in a local market. Drink tea with a family in their home. These are the experiences that'll stay with you long after you've left. China is a country that rewards curiosity. It's a place where you can still get lost, even in the age of Google Maps. So ditch the itinerary, open your mind, and see where the adventure takes you. Section 9. The Call of the Dragon. An invitation to explore. China is a country that gets under your skin. It's a place of endless fascination, of contradictions, of beauty that will take your breath away. It's a challenge, a reward, an experience you won't soon forget. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and explore. Discover the wonders of China for yourself. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you find. This is the Call of the Dragon. Are you ready to answer?